A lot of what I do actually comes to immediacy. I would tell you that my very first immediate implant placement in a single application was in the aesthetic zone, and it was probably in 1993. At that time I made some mistakes in my treatment planning, partly in maybe implant selection, certainly in implant positioning. Today, with this style of implant, the potential advantages are it allows me to look at immediacy more routinely than I might be able to with some other implant designs, because I'm more confident that I will go to surgery and achieve sufficient primary stability of the implant. And importantly, with that, still have an appropriate prosthetic line, whether it's something that's designed before surgery to be delivered at time of surgery to guide tissues, for instance, in the form of a provisional restoration, or perhaps making chairside some type of customized healing abutment, or taking a scan of that and making one to be delivered shortly thereafter, and then coupling it with a bonded restoration. So it opens up the opportunity to think about the immediacy protocol in even more challenging situations compared to what we would have done with other implant designs. BLX gives me the confidence to immediately place, immediately restore. In other words, it gives me the confidence to offer innovative solutions for very challenging clinical environments.